How to change the follow button to add friend button on Facebook on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make your profile show the add friend button instead of follow. First, open Facebook on your Android device and tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. From there, scroll down and under Audience and Visibility, tap on How People Find and Contact You. At this point, tap on Who Can Send You Friend Requests at the very top. In the next step, if this is currently set to Friends of Friends, that is exactly why your profile is showing a follow button instead of Add Friend. Only people who share mutual friends can send you a request, while everyone else can only follow you. Following this, tap on Everyone to change the setting. Finally, once set to everyone, anyone who visits your profile will now see the Add Friend button instead of the Follow button, and can send you a friend request directly. And that's it. If this Facebook guide helped you change your follow button to add friend, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.